Yeah, we're still planning to release models this year.
And I'm confident that will be available in many cities in the US by the end of this year. It's especially not just a revolution in vehicle design, but a revolution in vehicle manufacturing.
Hold on tight because Elon Musk is about to completely destroy the entire EV world to its core. Rumors and spy shots of the leaked 10,390 Tesla Model 2 are breaking the internet, and if these leaks are actually real, it could obliterate Chinese EV giants like BYD once and for all. If it is still not clear to Auto Intel and built for everyday Americans, this could easily be the most insane shakeup of the decade. We're talking about a brand new Tesla that costs less than a used Corolla loaded with next-level technology. In today's viral video, we're diving deep into every jaw-dropping detail, from leaked design rumors to BIAKEH battery tech that could rewrite the future of electric vehicles forever. Want to know the best secret to never miss a second? Smash that subscribe button for Auto Intel as we explode toward 1300 legends, and demolish that notification bell so you're always first to catch the hottest drops. How does the Model 2's revolutionary design absolutely destroy Chinese lookalikes on American streets? The Tesla Model 2 brings a game-changing approach to compact car design, taking inspiration from the iconic Cybertruck but scaling it down into something far more practical and approachable for everyday drivers, while it retains the futuristic and rugged appeal of its larger cousin. The Model 2's sleek geometric lines and ultra-beast build make it perfect for American streets, from urban environments to rural back roads. This isn't just about looks, it's about next-level function. The angular ultra-durable exterior gives the vehicle the strength to withstand the kind of daily punishment that most budget EVs, especially the cheaper Chinese lookalikes, simply can't handle. A key breakthrough in the Model 2 is its revolutionary cab-forward layout. By pushing the windshield and driver cabin further toward the front, Tesla has maximized interior room without increasing the vehicle's overall footprint. Measuring just 3.99 meters in length, about the same size as a Honda City, the Model 2 cleverly uses every inch of space. This cab-forward design allows for up to 12% more usable interior volume compared to traditional subcompact cars. Despite its compact exterior, the Model 2 can comfortably seat 4 adults and still maneuver easily through tight city streets or snug parking spaces. Another standout feature is the use of an ultralight stainless steel frame based on the same revolutionary alloy technology found in the Cybertruck. This proprietary Tesla alloy is up to 20% lighter than conventional aluminum while offering 40% more dent resistance. That's crucial for daily drivers who are constantly exposed to minor bumps, stray shopping carts, or narrow garages. This advanced frame doesn't just improve durability, it also lowers production costs by around 15% thanks in part to Tesla's Giga casting process, which simplifies the manufacturing and assembly of the vehicle structure. To keep the car looking new even years down the road, Tesla has equipped the Model 2 with a revolutionary self-healing paint derived from polymer technologies originally used in the medical field. This coating contains shape memory properties that respond to heat. Minor scratches and scuffs can vanish simply by exposing the surface to sunlight or warm water, typically at around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This premium feature, previously reserved for luxury vehicles like high-end Lexus or Infiniti models, is now standard on one of the most affordable EVs Tesla has ever made. The Model 2 also eliminates traditional door handles entirely, much like the Model 3 and Y. Instead, drivers can enter the car using their smartphone, a Tesla key card, or by tapping specific sensor zones embedded in the door trim. This not only creates a cleaner look but also slightly improves aerodynamics, adding roughly 0.2% to the vehicle's range. More importantly, it reduces mechanical complexity and removes a common failure point that affects many budget vehicles over time. Lastly, Tesla has introduced a striking new lighting signature with the Model 2 iconic T-shaped LED headlights that are instantly recognizable. These ultra-efficient lights are visible from more than 656 feet away and automatically adjust based on external lighting conditions to ensure optimal visibility and safety. Beyond their practical function, they reinforce Tesla's brand identity, making the Model 2 stand out on the road even in fog, rain, or at night, hence making your drive safer regardless of how harsh the weather outside. What feature do you think makes the Model 2 most ready for tough American roads? Comment ONE for the stainless steel frame, TWO for the self-healing paint, or 3 if it's the cab-forward design. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for Auto Intel. We're climbing toward 2,000 subscribers and your support helps us bring you the latest automotive game changers. Why will users fall in love with Model 2? This is inevitably a total rethinking of what driving should feel like in the 21st century. The Tesla Model 2 is built from the ground up for people who want simplicity, safety, and savings without giving up cutting-edge technology. For many, especially seniors and first-time EV drivers, it's the first car that truly feels like it was designed for them. At the heart of this user-friendly design is what Elon Musk calls shocking simplicity. The interior is centered around a single ultra-clear 15.7-inch touchscreen slightly angled toward the driver for easier visibility and interaction. This screen replaces the traditional instrument cluster and unifies navigation, climate, media and vehicle settings into one intuitive interface. By doing this, Tesla not only reduces production complexity but also minimizes potential failure points. This approach cuts long-term repair costs and streamlines over-the-air software updates. While that central screen is brilliant for many users, Tesla didn't forget the drivers who prefer traditional tactile controls. This is especially helpful for older Americans transitioning from gas-powered vehicles. That's why an optional trim includes physical buttons for blinkers, horn, headlight toggles and windshield wipers. It's a rare gesture in today's EV market where everything is going fully digital. This shows Tesla understands the needs of real-world drivers who value familiarity and ease of use. The touchscreen user interface itself has been customized with bold text, high-contrast icons, and a simplified menu layout for aging eyes or less tech-savvy users. This means clearer visuals and less screen confusion. Quick access menus allow drivers to pin their most used functions such as climate control or charging status directly to the home screen, combined with Tesla's advanced voice command system, which now better understands regional dialects and accents. This creates a vehicle that feels natural to operate even for someone who's never owned a Tesla before. The storage layout is just as practical. The Model 2 features a 350L rear trunk which easily fits a week's worth of groceries or 3 medium-sized suitcases. In addition, a 100L front trunk or frunk is ideal for smaller items like a handbag or emergency kit. This results in a total of 450L of usable cargo space. That's more room than most gasoline sedans priced under $20,000, and comes without the added fuel expense. Cost is where the Model 2 truly stands out. With a starting price of just $10,390, it is cheaper than many scooters or entry-level gas vehicles. This is the iPhone moment of the auto industry. It's like a $999 flagship phone suddenly being sold for $299. The perceived value is enormous. You are getting a premium EV experience at a price that undercuts even Chinese competitors. Most importantly, it's from a brand people actually trust. Ownership costs are also dramatically lower thanks to its fully electric drivetrain. The Model 2 requires no oil changes, engine maintenance or transmission servicing. Tesla estimates average annual upkeep will cost less than $100. This compares to $500 to $700 per year for a typical small gas car like the Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic. Brake wear is also reduced due to regenerative braking. That means thousands of dollars in savings over a 10-year period, which is a game changer for anyone living on a fixed income. Safety, often overlooked in budget vehicles, is another major strength. The Model 2's cold-rolled steel frame is designed to be twice as strong in crush tests as the average compact vehicle under $20,000. There is no gasoline tank or internal combustion engine, so the risk of engine fires or explosions is essentially eliminated. Combined with Tesla's standard autopilot safety features such as lane keeping, collision warnings and smart parking, drivers receive top-tier protection at an unbeatable price. And because safety means more than just crash protection, Tesla has gone one step further with intelligent safeguards that protect the most vulnerable passengers even after the drive is over. One standout is the cabin monitoring system, which helps prevent tragic accidents involving forgotten passengers or pets. Using interior sensors, the Model 2 can detect motion or heat signatures inside the vehicle after the driver has exited. If a child, elderly person or pet is left inside, the system will automatically activate climate control to maintain a safe temperature and send instant alerts to the owner's smartphone. When paired with Tesla's dog mode, an option that keeps the cabin cool while displaying a reassuring message on the touchscreen, this feature gives peace of mind to responsible drivers and adds a whole new layer of everyday safety. Do you believe the Tesla Model 2's design truly makes driving easier and safer for seniors and first-time EV buyers? Drop Model 2 if you agree it's built with simplicity, safety and savings in mind for everyone. How does a $10,390 price tag deliver the final blow to Chinese EV makers? Tesla's $10,390 Model 2 is a direct and calculated move to disrupt the market, especially targeting low-cost Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers. One of the biggest shifts behind this bold pricing is Tesla's full commitment to US-based production of its next-generation LFP 2.0 battery. This updated lithium iron phosphate chemistry, built entirely within the United States, eliminates dependence on Chinese supply chains, streamlines logistics and improves both safety and cold weather reliability. By localizing battery production, Tesla gains a critical cost advantage while also boosting performance, something many Chinese EVs still struggle to offer abroad. Driving this revolution is the massive $3.6 billion expansion of Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada, specifically tailored to support the production of key components for the Model 2. The upgraded facility focuses on vertically integrated battery production, particularly the latest generation LFP 2.0 battery packs and structural battery assemblies. In addition to batteries, Gigafactory Nevada will also produce power electronics drive units and thermal systems used in the Model 2's compact platform by manufacturing these high-value high-weight components domestically right next to battery cell lines. Tesla eliminates the delays, tariffs and shipping costs associated with overseas supply chains. The goal is to streamline final assembly at Tesla's other facilities such as Gigafactory Texas or Fremont, where the actual body stamping, painting and final vehicle assembly take place, by localizing the supply of drive units and structural packs in Nevada and PA, assembling them before shipment. Tesla can supply all US-based Model 2 production lines with just-in-time delivery precision. This tightly coordinated manufacturing ecosystem makes it realistic for Tesla to hit an annual production volume of up to 500,000 Model 2 units by 2026, a figure that would make it the most produced EV in North America. It's a classic Musk strategy: reduce complexity, cut costs at every step and scale faster than any competitor. Despite the low price, the Model 2 doesn't cut corners on performance. It's expected to deliver up to 350 miles of range on a single charge under EPA estimates, significantly outpacing competitors in its price range. Even more impressive is the fast charging capability. With access to Tesla's Supercharger V4 network, drivers can charge from 10% to 80% in just 15 minutes. That level of convenience rivals EVs priced 2 or 3 times higher. Chinese rivals, especially in the sub $15,000 bracket, typically offer 100 to 150 miles of range and charge much more slowly, making them less practical for everyday US driving needs. Tesla's durability promise is equally strong. The LFP 2.00 battery in the Model 2 is rated for over 3,000 charge cycles, which translates to roughly 1 million miles of expected lifespan under optimal conditions. This is backed by a generous 10-year or 200,000 kilometers warranty, far exceeding the 5-year warranties common among Chinese EV makers. On top of that, Tesla's over-the-air software updates allow the car to improve long after purchase. Drivers can expect better efficiency, new features and bug fixes automatically without any trips to the service center. Autopilot also comes standard with the Model 2 at no extra charge, offering advanced driver assistance features usually reserved for premium vehicles. Built-in systems include lane keeping assist, forward collision warnings and smart parking that works with a single tap. To get similar features in a Chinese EV, buyers would typically have to pay an additional $2,000 to $3,000, and many of those features aren't even available in export models due to software or regulation limits. In contrast, Tesla's global platform ensures that updates and functionality are available consistently wherever the car is sold. By addressing the core weaknesses of Chinese EVs such as price, durability and usability, Tesla is delivering a vehicle that speaks directly to everyday Americans who have long been priced out of the electric revolution. With a fully American-made battery and no reliance on foreign supply chains, the Model 2 reinforces national resilience while advancing clean energy goals. Elon Musk's vision of a truly affordable and sustainable future is no longer a distant dream, as it is packed perfectly in this upcoming model. Altogether, this model, the 2nd of May, very well deliver the final blow in a global EV price war. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for auto intel and help us reach our goal of 2,000 subscribers. Your support means everything as we bring you the latest automotive game changers that are breaking the internet.